What is going on, guys? Your everyday math tutor here, and in this problem we're going to try to attempt to use the method of elimination to solve for these system of equations. So in order to use the process of elimination, I'm going to have to ask myself, do I have the same coefficient on these variables, these like variables, and different signs? Well, I do have different signs for both of them. Here I have a positive. Let's use the laser here. Here I have a positive, here I have a negative, here I have a negative, and here I have a positive. So that's good. They have different signs. But do they have the same coefficient? Well, they don't. So I'm going to need to look for what that coefficient is. And in order to figure out what that is to find the least common multiple. But which one are we going to use? Or which one are we going to eliminate? Well, let's try to eliminate the x. It doesn't matter which one we start with. We will get the same solution. So let's try to eliminate the x. So I write down my two coefficients, the 2 and the 4. And then I start writing their multiples. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16. And I already see that we have a least common multiple, and that is 4. So we have a 4 right here and a 4 right here. So now I ask myself, do I need to change the second equation to a 4? No, I don't need to change this 4 to a 4. It's already a 4. So there's nothing that's going to be multiplied by at the second equation. But I do know that I'm going to need to change this 2 to get to a 4. And how do we do that? Well, we're just going to be multiplying by 2. So the first equation, everything is going to be multiplied by 2. So let's go ahead and multiply everything in the first equation by 2. So we're going to have 2 times 2x, which is just 4x. We're going to have 2 times negative 3y, which is negative 6y. And 2 times 1, which is just 2. And then, of course, we didn't do anything with the second equation, so we can go ahead and write that second equation right below the first one. And then we add. So after multiplying either one of the two equations or both, we start to add them. We sum it up. So 4x minus 4x is 0. Negative 6y plus 6y is also 0. And 2 plus 7 is 9. But we have 0 is equal to 9. And, of course, that is not true. So there are no solution. If we had, for instance, 9 is equal to 9, or we had 0 is equal to 0, we would have infinitely many solutions.